Feta, the world's healthiest cheese that nobody talks about. Doctors suggest that the Mediterranean diet is one of the healthiest ones for decades. Moreover, it was nominated as the best diet to try in 2019 by US News. This diet has a lot of feta cheese in it, so it's a completely unique way of a dietary regime. However, you should consider that feta is an extremely healthy cheese. It prevents osteoporosis, improves the immune system, and protects against caries. Moreover, feta cheese supplies essential minerals and vitamins that can help protect and even enhance your vision. Therefore, you can consume this cheese without feeling guilty that it would risk your health. Feta has a mildly nutty flavor, and soft but firm texture, with a mild and creamy zing. In other words, it's a cheesy punch that helps to elevate every boring dish. The cheese originates from Greece, and it's made by the milk of sheep and goats raised on local grass. In fact, the environment is what gives the cheese its unique characteristics, as well as numerous health benefits. One serving of feta cheese, about 28 grams, contains approximately 74 calories, 4 grams protein, 1.2 grams carbohydrates, 6 grams of fat, 1 gram sugar, 260 milligrams sodium, 0.5 milligrams vitamin B12 8% DV, 0.2 milligrams riboflavin, vitamin B2 14% DV, 94 milligrams phosphorus 9% DV, 140 milligrams calcium 14% DV, 0.1 milligrams vitamin B6 6% DV, 312 milligrams sodium 13% DV. Here are 5 health benefits of the world's healthiest cheese, feta. Calcium and bone health. Calcium is an essential nutrient, therefore if it's not replenished the body will take it from the bones, and weakens them over time. In other words, calcium helps maintain bone density and prevents osteoporosis. Prevents many diseases. Feta is also abundant in phosphorus, selenium, manganese, zinc, and potassium. Thus, contributes to a healthy and balanced gut, irritable bowel syndrome, vaginal yeast infections, treats diarrhea, urinary tract infections, and even childhood eczema. Fights anemia. The high amount of vitamin B12 and the small amount of iron can serve to naturally fight anemia in the body. Type 2 diabetes. Feta has a high protein content, especially since it's from an animal product such as cheese. Researchers found that the protein in these products has a positive effect on lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes. Relieves headaches. Feta cheese is also rich in vitamin B12 and vitamin B2, riboflavin, therefore it helps combat major headaches including migraine pain.